Wonderful design, sincerely recommend. Hello guys, I'm Hannah, the original designer of Century Mosaic.
Between the classic and the fashion, the celebrity and the public, the combination of black and curved lines can always be beyond surprise. This Night Rain Mosaic with a black curved outline has a unique artistic energy. The film capital of Iran's. Under the night rain, festivals, sailboats, and film festivals are still lively. The extraordinary scenery and prosperous atmosphere indoor cans with a romantic and passionate feeling. The rain is strong and windy, and the inverted raindrop pattern is superimposed and closely spliced. The repeated raindrops seem to be peaceful and quiet, with subtle tension and ductility permeating them. Compared with a refined small particle mosaic design, this mosaic can give more dramatic effect to the space. The pure black of the mosaic is simple and atmospheric, which never goes wrong with any style. This product is a must item of modern style and minimalist style decor. If you use it on the kitchen wall, bathroom wall, or living room wall, you can feel the nature art flowing into the whole space. This gentle and healing element fully embodies French romance. This dramatic material has both connotations, beauty, and practicality. Good wear resistance and water resistance meet daily needs. Easy to clean and maintain, corrosion resistance, and durable. This product has a thickness is only half of the traditional marble products. Convenient transportation and easy installation.
Thank you for watching today's video. Walk into the land of black dreams and live with art.